Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something awesome for you. Are you ready to get better grades on your essays without much trouble? We're going to share 5 ways to use ChatGPT to always get an A+ for your essays. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more cool tips and tricks. Let's check out these easy-to-use strategies to make ChatGPT work for your essays. Number 1. Planning helper. Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank page, struggling to come up with ideas for your essay? Or have you ever started writing an essay only to realize that you don't know how to organize your thoughts? These are common struggles that many students face when writing essays. But with ChatGPT, you no longer have to worry about these issues. All you need to do is provide the topic and any special requirements, and the AI will create a clear plan for your essay with main points and arguments. This feature not only saves you time but also ensures that your essay is well organized and structured. Moreover, the planning feature of ChatGPT is incredibly flexible. You can customize the plan according to your preferences and adjust it as you go along. This means that you have complete control over the writing process and can make changes as needed. So next time you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, turn to ChatGPT and let it be your helpful friend. Number 2. Research buddy. Tired of reading lots of articles and books? Researching for an essay can often feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. With so much information available online, it can be difficult to find the right sources and extract the relevant information you need for your essay. But with ChatGPT, you can cut down on the time and effort needed for research and produce a well-researched essay that will impress your teacher. ChatGPT is equipped with advanced algorithms that can quickly scan and summarize long articles and books. This feature alone can save you hours of time that you would have spent reading through multiple sources. The AI can identify the key points and arguments of the article and present them to you in a concise and clear manner. Furthermore, ChatGPT-4 can suggest additional sources that you might not have considered. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to expand your research or if you need more sources to support your argument. With its vast database of knowledge, the AI can suggest relevant articles, books, and even academic journals that you might not have known existed. Overall, the research feature of ChatGPT-4 is a game changer when it comes to essay writing. By summarizing articles, finding important information, and suggesting additional sources, the AI makes the research process faster, easier, and more effective. So why not let ChatGPT-4 be your research assistant and take your essay writing skills to the next level? Number 3. Style and tone fixer. Writing an essay that effectively communicates your ideas can be challenging, especially when you're struggling to find the right tone or style. However, with ChatGPT, you can easily adjust your writing style to fit any tone or style, such as persuasive, descriptive, or storytelling. Simply provide an example or tell the AI the style you want, and watch your essay become amazing. In addition to adjusting your writing style, ChatGPT can suggest synonyms, idioms, and other expressions that will enhance the impact of your writing. This feature can help you create an essay that is not only well-written but also memorable and impactful. Overall, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can help you adjust your writing style and create a well-written essay that engages your readers and communicates your ideas effectively. So why not let ChatGPT be your writing assistant and take your essay writing skills to the next level? Number 4. Grammar and spelling checker. As a student, you know how important it is to submit error-free essays. But proofreading your work can be a time-consuming and tedious task, especially if you're not sure what to look for. That's where ChatGPT comes in to save the day. ChatGPT is equipped with advanced grammar and spelling checking algorithms that can quickly and easily detect mistakes and typos in your essay. The AI can also provide you with ideas to make your grammar, punctuation, and sentences better. This feature ensures that your essay is not only free of errors but also well-written and polished. ChatGPT can provide you with suggestions on how to improve your writing. The AI can suggest alternative phrasing, sentence structures, and word choices that will enhance the impact of your writing. With this feature, you can create an essay that not only communicates your ideas effectively but also engages your readers. So why not let ChatGPT be your personal proofreader and take your essay writing skills to the next level? Number 5. Idea machine. Need more ideas to support your main point? ChatGPT can make lots of ideas, examples, and arguments for any topic. Just ask the AI for more points or different views, and you'll be amazed at the smart and creative ideas it gives you. The AI can generate a plethora of ideas, examples, and arguments for any topic, ensuring that your essays are full of great thoughts. Simply ask the AI for more points or different views, and you'll be amazed at the smart and creative ideas it gives you. Overall, ChatGPT is an invaluable tool for any student who wants to create an essay that is full of great thoughts and innovative ideas. With its ability to generate new and creative ideas, suggest different viewpoints, and help you organize your arguments. And that's it. These 5 simple ways to use ChatGPT will make your essay writing easier and help you get better grades. But remember, AI is a tool to make your writing and thinking better, not to replace them. If you enjoyed this video and found it really helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this, and until next time, happy writing!